Oops, I got checking engine lights on. Hello, Spencer the mechanic. This is Honda Odyssey 2001 3.5. It's 5-cylinder right now. Everybody Honda Odyssey is 6-cylinder. 5 plus 1, 6-cylinder. This car is running 5-cylinder right now. I got checking engine lights on. The code is p0304. Number 4. Coil pack is out or the spark plug is out. Let's check it out. I'm warm up the engine right now, also charge the battery at the same time. Negative to negative, positive to positive, red to red, black to black. Charge the battery for another car behind me, Honda Odyssey. My car is 570,000 miles. It's not running perfect like it used to be right now, because this car is only run 5-cylinder as we speak. 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, 4. Uh-oh. 4 is missing. 2 coil pack, 4 coil pack, 6 coil pack. Number 4 is missing. The car still running. Wow. What a Honda. Good car. I'm wondering where the hell is my coil pack go? I gotta find it. Somebody told me the dog ate it. I don't believe that the dog ate my coil pack. Number 4, p0304. The code mean number 4 coil pack or number 4 spark plug is no good. I have to go find my coil pack right now, okay? Gotta follow that dog that ate my coil pack. Oops, there it is. That's how my coil pack look like. Wow. I believe I have to buy a new one. Remember, if you buy the coil pack or spark plug or battery, something like that, do not buy in the junkyard because they run by electronic. Try to buy original or try to buy at Odyssey or somewhere where they sell the coil pack at, okay? The only thing you can buy in junkyard is like you broken the fan, happen accident, door, something like that. Something not electronic. Because anything electronic, they're no good. If your car no good, the junkyard car is gonna be no good. As long if it's the same year or whatever or older. Okay, buy a new coil pack. Don't buy the old one. Okay, Spencer the mechanic. Thank you for watching. See you next video.